First opened in 1989, Enterprise Village is a hands-on economic learning experience for 5th grade students in Pinellas County. Enterprise Village is designed to help students develop basic economic concepts and understand the relationship between businesses and consumers. Students spend weeks in their classroom studying economic education objectives that teach them life skills, such as writing checks, using a debit card, applying for a job, and working in a group. These lessons prepare them for and culminate in their field trip to Enterprise Village. Located at the Stavros Institute in Largo, Enterprise Village is an indoor facility with a layout like a shopping mall. Over the course of one school day, students work at one of over 20 storefronts sponsored by real businesses. The students take breaks, receive paychecks, learn how to deposit money at the bank, and have the opportunity to act as consumers by making purchases with the imitation money they earn. Each year, more than 8,000 students visit and participate in Enterprise Village. With its interactive approach and support from real businesses, Enterprise Village is a signature initiative of the Pinellas Education Foundation, considered by many students to be one of their most valuable and memorable elementary school experiences. If you are interested in becoming a sponsor of Enterprise Village, contact the Pinellas Education Foundation at info@pinellaseducation.org.